Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. For the special occasion, thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about myself. I can stay with a greater hour to be invited to speak here. I've been looking forward to this moment for a long time. My name is Beck. My full name is Dorothy Beck. I'm from Haiphong City. It's a beautiful city and it's famous for the sun beach. In the summer, I go to the beach with my friends every weekend. Now I live in Hanoi City. Um, I'm studying at Vietnam University of Commerce. My major is PhD management. My dream is to become a good manager and earn much money. So I always try my best to learn and stay with experience to improve myself. So thus, I spend more time learning English because I know that English is a necessary skill for my life and success in the 21st century. In free time, I usually watching films, especially American films. Sometimes I do exercise because I know that is good for my healthy. Especially I want to lose weight. I'm too fast. Yes, it's on my mind. Thank you for your interest and attention. Have a wonderful day.